Thanks for watching. Foster's Garage. 61 Chevy Apache. Frame off restoration. We're going to paint this thing, clean it all up. Beautiful Arizona truck. Just getting started with the teardown here. Beautiful truck, almost no rust anywhere. Finally got the bed off and the cab off, starting to scrape down the frame. No rust, but lots of tar and grease. Whoever owned this truck had it greased at the dealer probably. What a mess. And it appears they ran over a bucket of roofing tar at some point because it was a ½ inch thick in some places on the frame. Looks really good underneath the tar though, not a speck of rust. That's where the tar was the worst. Hammer and chisel. And finally, some pressure washing. Cheap Harbor Freight pressure washer. Some hot water right out of the sink. 120 degrees. And it performs miracles. That's Gary, the truck owner, working away. We probably did about 3 or 4 hours of this. But as you can see, it's worth the trouble. Finally finished. Looks pretty good. Next, the soda blasting. There's a beautiful dog. Have to have a shop dog. Throw the degreaser. The hot water. Scraping. Looks pretty good. We'll just keep going. Thanks for watching. This truck is for sale. Contact me. Send me a private message, email. February 2018. And this is the potential color. Let me know what you think. Thank you.